Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 9th English workshop of first poem live. So let's see. First question is, pick out from the poem two lines each that reflect an optimistic means positive attitude, and the pessimistic means negative attitude. So let's see. Here we have to write here two optimism line and two pessimism line. Okay, so first line is in the last second stanza, means the fifth stanza. The first line is eight hope again elastic spring. This is the first line of pessimism, and the second line is still beyond are her golden wings. So these two are the example of optimism. So next two example of pessimism. So two example of pessimism is, what through death at times step in and calls our best one. What through death at times step in and calls our best away. So this is the fourth stanza, first two line, and the second line is, what though sorrow seem to win over hope heavy sway. So these two are pessimism line, attitude line. Next question is, give other adverb. Here the ly adverbs of similar meaning for the following. Use a there's a needed. फर्स्ट इज हमें मीनिंग लिखना है. फर्स्ट इज रैपिडली का मीनिंग है यह स्विफ्टली. सेकंड इज मेरीली का मीनिंग चीयरफुली. नेक्स्ट ग्रेटफुली का मीनिंग है थैंकफुली. नेक्स्ट चीयरली का मीनिंग है हैप्पीली. नेक्स्ट मैनफुली का मीनिंग है ब्रेवली. नेक्स्ट ग्लोरियसली का मीनिंग है वंडरफुली. एंड नेक्स्ट इज विक्ट्रियसली का मीनिंग है ट्रम्फेंटली. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, पिक आउट 3 एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंट्रोगेशन फ्रॉम द पोएम. एक्सप्लेन इन योर ओन वर्ड्स द पॉइंट दैट ईच वन मेक. यहाँ 3 एग्जाम्पल लिखने हैं जो इंट्रोगेटिव के हैं. सो फर्स्ट वन इज हियर, देखिए, इफ द शावर विल मेक द रोजेस ब्लूम, ओ व्हाई लैमेंट इज फॉल. सो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है, ये लाइन हमें यहाँ लिखनी है इंट्रोगेशन में, और इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है, द पोएट टेल्स अस दैट वेन एवर टूडे इज कवर विथ अ डार्क क्लाउड, we are not able to see the sun, but when it rain the roses bloom, so we shouldn't dislike the rain. And next line is, what though death at times step in and call our best away. So here the explanation is, the poet tells us that sometime death, which is inevitable, may take our loved ones away. So it is okay, and we should accept it as a part of lives. Next line is, what though sorrow seem to win over hope a heavy sway. So here the explanation is, the poet tells us that sometimes sorrow takes over all other happy things, and thus has a negative influence on our hope. So we should accept the situation as we accept happiness in our life. Next question, explain the metaphor in the following line. मेटाफोर की यहाँ लाइन दी है, हमें वो एक्सप्लेन करनी है. फर्स्ट, ऑफन अ लिटिल मॉर्निंग रेन foretells a pleasant day. So this is explanation is metaphor explaining. In this statement, morning rain is compared to darkness and gloom in life. Second line is sometime there are cloud. So here in this statement, the cloud are compared to the sadness and gloom. Third line is the shower will make roses bloom. So here in this statement, roses refer to the good things in life. The fourth line is life sunny hour fleet by. In this statement, sunny hours are compared to happy day. Next, pick out 4 example of personification. So here we have to write here personifications example. So the example are offer a little morning rain foretell a pleasant day. Second is life sunny hour fleet by. Next, third one is what through date at times step in, and the fourth is what through sorrow seems to win. Okay student, bye.